Hello and welcome back to HardReset.Info. In this video I will show you how to connect to Wi-Fi on the Pixel 9a. And let's begin. First you want to expand the control center at the top, and here at the top left corner you should see the internet icon. You want to click it. You want to turn Wi-Fi on, and now it will scan for nearby networks. We want to locate the network that you want to connect to. For me it's this one, and now we have to input password to our network. I will quickly do that. And now let me just put it down, and now we simply hit connect in order to connect to Wi-Fi. And as you can see now, we are successfully connected to the internet, and we can browse web or do other internet related things as we please. That's all for this video. If you found it useful, please remember to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.